Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use RemNote flashcards. So to use it, what you will need to do is basically here on the left sidebar click on the flashcards, just like that. So if you only want to study one subject, navigate to that document and then click these three dots right here in the top right of your document and select practice rem. So just like that. Now when a card appears, try to recall the answer, then press spacebar or click the card to reveal the back. You then rate how well you knew it. So right here you see forgot, remembered, partially recalled, and so on. So you have some few options if you click right here. So let's say remembered. Keep practicing. Now, so if I show you again, here you see forgot, remembered, partially recalled, recalled with effort. So easily recalled, you knew it instantly. RemNote will wait much longer before showing it again. So RemNote will present your notes differently based on how you wrote them. So basic is like this one, standard front, and then back is right here. So as you can see, then we have close, fill in the blank style. We have options of like this one that it shows that it can show the answer first and then the question. And we can also have it just like that, as you can see that on the picture, that we hide part of the image and then we need to remember what it is. And also we have list, ask you to recall a set of intended bullet points. So yeah. Now if the specific note is cluttering your queue, click the card icon. And right here next to the rem in your document and toggle enable to off, or you can also click on edit and change it right here in the settings. So yeah, this is really helpful. If you see the typo during a session, you can click directly on the text right here, quiz, and then go to edit. So yeah, this is basically it, how you can use flashcards. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.